The human kidney is a complex organ that plays a vital role in maintaining the body's overall health and function. Located in the abdominal cavity, each kidney is about the size of a fist and is responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from the bloodstream. Despite its crucial role in the body, there are many unknown facts about the human kidney that may surprise you. Here are just a few. The human kidney has a built-in repair system. When the kidneys are damaged, they can regenerate new cells and repair themselves. This process is known as nephrogenesis, and it occurs during fetal development as well as during adulthood. However, this repair system is not infinite, and if the kidneys are severely damaged, they may not be able to fully recover. The kidneys are responsible for producing hormones. In addition to filtering waste and excess fluids, the kidneys also produce hormones that help regulate blood pressure, stimulate red blood cell production, and convert vitamin D into its active form. The kidneys can filter all the blood in the body in just 1 minute. On average, the kidneys filter about 48 gallons of blood every day, which is equivalent to all the blood in the body. This process involves the removal of waste products and excess fluids, as well as the reabsorption of important substances like glucose, electrolytes, and amino acids. The kidneys have a high blood flow rate. Each kidney receives about 20% of the body's total blood flow, which is more than any other organ in the body. This high blood flow is necessary to facilitate the efficient filtration of waste and excess fluids. The kidneys have a unique shape. The kidneys are bean-shaped, with a concave side that faces the spine and a convex side that faces outward. This shape allows them to fit snugly against the spine and other organs in the abdominal cavity. The kidneys can survive on just one functioning unit. While it is optimal for both kidneys to function properly, the body can survive with just one functioning kidney. In fact, many people are born with just one kidney or have one removed due to injury or disease, and they can live normal, healthy lives. The kidneys can be transplanted. If the kidneys are severely damaged or are not functioning properly, a kidney transplant may be necessary. During a kidney transplant, a healthy kidney from a donor is transplanted into the recipient's body. The procedure is successful in most cases and allows the recipient to live a normal, healthy life with just one functioning kidney. In conclusion, the human kidney is a complex and vital organ that plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's overall health and function. From its ability to regenerate new cells and produce hormones to its high blood flow rate and unique shape, the human kidney is truly an amazing and complex organ.
That is all for today. Please like and subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates from us.